Oh my God. I just can't call it. So I put these trend lines in early in the day, and I really didn't expect us to break it, and then there we go. We broke it. And so I figured our first support was the 50-day EMA. Boom, blew right through that. And this is the daily bar. And I mean, that's crazy negative. I mean, that's a lot of energy, too, going into it. So I'd like to think we got an inside bar tomorrow, but we got some crazy fear going on here now. And this line right here is an open gap, and then we got all these gaps to fill. So we could be looking at 365 at this point. Horrifying, 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 horrifying. A real aggressive pullback. It's just a compound of things going on. And then, so that was the EMA we broke. And then we go down, and here's the daily. And this is my 50-day SMA. And boom, pop right through that. That's got to be scaring people. That was 539. And that was an aggressive sell into it. I mean, that's really got to be scaring people. But I think tomorrow we may very well tag. I mean, we may be looking at that 486, 190 if it doesn't keep going. And hey, how far is that? And that's only like less than 20 points. That's 17 points, and we tagged that. Yeah, this is bloody. Bloody, bloody, bloody. I mean, you could still buy on the dips as long as you're not getting blown out with margin calls. And I would continue to accumulate stock, but we may end up closing all these gaps. Just a real. I mean, we're slightly overvalued right now, oversold on the daily. See if we can get some weekly data, and we're oversold on the weeklies. What I like is we didn't break that weekly 20-day. $505 is that weekly 20-day. But we could very well come up to that 8 period, which is 402. Yeah, bloody, 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 bloody. Hmm. Yeah, the market was a little hot. A little hot. I'm sorry I'm quiet on my recordings. I'm just looking at it. So anyway, I'm in shock. Don't really have it in me to look at the rest of the market. That was amazing. An amazing swing. Ridiculous. Over 1,000 points on the Dow. I don't know. Does fear set in and the shit keeps tanking? Or has it sold off and there's a bounce tomorrow? I really can't call it. I mean, I'd like to say another inside bar tomorrow. And given that we have non-farm, but it seems like everybody's just window dressing. So I don't know if we could catch a bottom. Such a mess. All right. Well, anyway, that does me. Hey, I hope everybody's calm and cool. Good luck trading. I'll catch you guys in the AM.